Good morning to all. Myself, Nitisha Soni, Assistant Professor in Nursing Department from RPIIMS, Karnal. Today, we will discuss about diarrhea. First one is introduction. Worldwide, particularly in developing countries, diarrheal disease constitute significant causes of mortality and morbidity. According to conservative estimate, almost 500 million children suffer from acute diarrhea annually. Out of them, 5 million die every year. In India alone, nearly 1.5 million children die due to acute diarrhea every year. Now, next one is definition of diarrhea. Diarrhea comes from the Greek word diarrheo. Dia means flow and rhea means throw. The terms flowing through. Spelling in American English it is spelled diarrhea and in British English it is diarrhea. What is diarrhea disease? Diarrhea is loose watery stool. Having diarrhea means passing loose stool 3 or more times in a day. Diarrhea disease mainly affects children under 2 years old. Diarrhea can last several days and can leave the body without the water and salt that are necessary for survival. People of all ages can get diarrhea. Definition. Diarrhea is defined as an increase in number of stool and its volume and decrease in their consistency. Diarrhea is also defined as passage of 3 or more loose or watery stool in a 24-hour of period. A loose stool being one that would take the shape of container. Scope of diarrhea disease. Diarrhea disease is the second leading cause of death in children under 5 years old. Out of the 1.5 million children killed by diarrhea disease in 2004, 80% were under 2 years old. In 2009, diarrhea was estimated to have caused 1.1 million deaths in people aged 5 and over and 1.5 million deaths in children under the age of 5. Type of diarrhea disease. Acute diarrhea. Acute diarrhea meaning diarrhea that is not long term is a very common cause of death in developing nation, especially among young children and babies. It usually appears rapidly and may last from between 5 to 10 days. Chronic diarrhea. Chronic diarrhea meaning long-term diarrhea in the second cause of death among children in developing countries. Anybody who has had diarrhea for more than 1 week should see their doctor. The UK Nation Health Services advises parents to take their children to their doctor if the child is aged 3 months to 1 year and the diarrhea has lasted over 2 days. The child is over 1 year of age and the diarrhea has lasted more than 5 days. Causes: consuming too much alcohol, consuming too much coffee, reaction to medicines, bacteria such as E. coli, dirty hands. Symptoms: vomiting, headache, fever 102 degree or higher, stool containing blood, weight loss, and urgent need to use the bathroom. The stool are black, a baby has not wet the diaper in over 3 hours, joint pain, loose watery stool, stress, allergies to contain food, lack of allergy, tiredness, small amount of urine, dry skin, infection by bacteria, the cause of most type of food poisoning. Treatment: coconut water, beet tea, metronidazole tablet, Lamotil tablet, Lamofen tablet, Norfloxacin TZ, ORS. The full form of ORS is oral rehydration solution or salt. Amla juice mixed with lime water and glucose is very helpful in treating diarrhea. Precaution: wash fruit and vegetables thoroughly before eating, wash your hand, drink clean water, store purified water in clean, do not brush your teeth with tap water, keep bathroom surfaces clean to help prevent the spread of infection germ, Keep young children clean. Do not drink bottled water if the seal has been broken. Do choose drinks that are served hot, such as coffee and tea. Use a commercial water filter that removes bacteria, protozoa, viruses, and chemical. I hope you all understand what is diarrhea, their types, precautions, preventions. Thank you, students.